Hi, I'm John Hassell, the Lake Guy, here at Cedar Creek Lake with the Debbie French Real Estate Group and Ebby Halliday. Today we're going to look at a lot we've listed as the group. It is a 2.6 acre lot. Yeah, you heard me, 2.6 acres. It's one of the larger lots in the Bluffs. And if you've never been here, you need to come look at this place because it's magical. I mean, it really is. It is a huge development. Every lot in here is an acre plus. It's got lots of waterfront, clubhouse, boat houses are available to put your boat in. They have a launch ramp. Just beautiful, beautiful place. It's gated. You can walk through this area. You can have a golf cart. It's just covered in massive oak trees. It's just amazing. So let's go take a look at this lot. It's lot 82. It's 2.6 acres. I am standing on lot 82. As you can see, the lot tag is still there. There's a home built right next to you on the corner. Look at all these oak trees. Aren't these gorgeous? And this lot goes all the way back over to the little utility station right there. I think that's a cable box. And it's in between two streets. There's another lot over there on that corner. This goes back quite a ways, but I mean, it is just gorgeous. Come around and let you take a look. Now, there are no other homes built right here in this vicinity, but the Bluffs has really come alive in the last 3 or 4 years with the advent of COVID. As we all know, people have discovered Cedar Creek Lake, and this is one of the places that has actually done quite well since that's happened. A lot of new homes have been built in here. A lot of the lots have been sold in here. It's just amazing the development that's gone on, but it remains this quiet and tranquil space. Let's go down and take a look at the clubhouse, launch ramp, and I'll actually show you a couple of new builds along the way. Now, this is a house that was just finished about a year ago, and this was actually on one of the lots that we sold about a year ago. This is pretty typical of the homes that are built in here right now. On this particular street that goes down towards the clubhouse and boat launch, there's probably 10 or 15 homes just on this street, and as you can see, it's just tranquil. I mean, you just don't see anything. Here's across the street from that, which most of these lots are sold, and there will be homes that are built in here that are very similar to this one right here. And isn't that just amazing? Gosh, come by this lot, build your own dream home. Now, here you have the boat houses that are down here. Some of those slips may be available. I don't know, but we can check on that for you. The clubhouse is back over there. The launch ramp is back over there. Here's a little seating park area. This is looking back up at the Bluffs. This is part of the Bluffs over here where you've got a couple of waterfront homes listed here also. This place is just beautiful. I mean, you don't know you're this close to the Metroplex when you come down here and just take a look at all this. Absolutely amazing. Here's a clubhouse. Here's a covered pavilion here. Clubhouse is right there. This is a little area here. Also, boat houses back over there again. Now, the cool thing about the Bluffs, it's on this huge cove over here. Now, you get protection from the south wind. Yeah, you heard me. You get protection from the south wind, and we just got a dumpster come driving in here. But you'll be able to launch your boat without the wind, take it back up to your lot. Be fantastic. Workers are always showing up at just the right time. So if you're getting ready to build that retirement home or just a weekend getaway on 2.6 acres, build you a fantastic house, have you a garage, have you a man shop. Man, just have whatever you want here. You have access to the lake, you have acreage, you have a quiet place, a great place to bring the family and friends. Man, it doesn't get any better than this. Y'all come see us. If you'd like more information about this, it'll be on debbiefrench.com, or you can reach me by email, john@debbiefrench.com. Y'all come see us. Enjoy the lake. Bye-bye.